Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Blessing of Spirit Octavia, and in this video we're going to learn how to make these beautiful 3D designs, which is very trendy on dresses. So stay tuned while we delve into the video. So first thing I did was to lay down my organza and started laying out my hemming gum on it. Okay, so it was I used two layers, but this is the first layer. So when you lay it out, you make sure that the hemming gum is close to each other. Okay, so like that you lay it accordingly. Next thing I did was to cover the first layer with an organza. So now this is two layers. Okay, you iron it. Make sure it's preferably you use a steam iron so that it doesn't burn, because you know organza is a lightweight fabric, so it melts it easily. So this is the second time I'm doing this. Then I place another organza on top, which makes it three layers of organza. You can stop at two if you want, but I used three to achieve what I wanted. I give it a good press like so. Okay, so the heat doesn't have to be so much because I'm using steam iron. It's the hemming gum melts into the fabric easily. So when I'm done, I cut out the shape of the flowers I want to make. You can play around with whatever shapes you want. So this is me placing the shape on the organza, which I've already ironed like so. You cut out as much as you want. Overall, I cut out 12 pieces, which I wanted to use. So the next thing I did was, this is my cup chain I wanted to use, and also my wires. So you can get the wires from tailoring shops and maybe electrical shops around you, but most tailoring shops now stock these wires. Okay, so the wires, I put it in between to give it a bit of flexibility. If you don't put the wires, you won't be able to like fold the flower petals whichever way you want. So this is me putting my glue on the already cut out organza. I put my cup chains to cover the glue on top the glue. Okay, so you just follow the steps this way. So when I'm done, I put it on the two sides like so, the glue on the two sides, and also put the cup chains on where the glue is. Please be careful because you need this to be as neat as possible, so you need to be careful so that you just follow the lines where the glue is and not mess up the whole flowers. So in between, now I've put the cup chain on the two sides. So the middle there, I put my gum and put the wire on top. First step, put the wire on top the gum like so. Then I also put another gum on top the wire and use my cup chain to cover the wire. So you continue to do this for the amount of petals you have. So when I'm done, this is what I have. I start on the second one and I continue till I finish get to the 12th one. Then I have a structure which I'm supposed to arrange my petals on. So just stay tuned. This is me folding it for flexibility. So you can just bend it whichever shape you want and arrange it or tack it on wherever it is you want to attach it on the dress. Okay. So I already said earlier that I is going to be attached on the dress, and this is the structure I'm going to attach it into. This is me. I've tacked down all the flowers and arranged it the way I wanted it to look like. Then this is the dress. I pinned it on the bodies of the dress, pin one and take the remaining one to the back. So this is the final look of it, and I hope this is something you like. If you enjoyed watching this, kindly give us a like, comment, and please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.